Hey, what's up folks, it's Malik here for Tech. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of a latest addition to my work desk setup. So I got this MX Keys S keyboard by Logitech. I got it as for my upcoming 2024 work desk setup. So I'm going to replace my old Valor keyboard, which is actually a sub-brand of Challenger in Singapore. It's actually a multi-device keyboard, as you can see. So this is actually a good keyboard. I will rate about 7 out of 10. 7, the reason being is it doesn't contain any kind of a backlight on the keyboard, and so that's the only reason I'm giving 7. And I decided to upgrade to a better keyboard which actually I can work during night time. It will illuminate the keyboard as I type. So that's the main reason I got this keyboard during 12/12 sales on Lazada. So I bought the graphite color keyboard. Let's unbox right now to unveil what's inside this MX Keys S package. Okay, let's do it now, guys. Let's put the cover aside and push my old keyboard back beneath the monitor stand. So yeah, here you go. Once I pull out the box from the main cover, so this is how it looks. It's black box. So let's unveil what's inside. Okay, here we have the setup guide on how to connect your Bluetooth, plus the Logi bolt, which is the replaced by the Bluetooth receiver actually. So these are a step-by-step guide in connecting to your device and how you can easily switch around between multiple devices. So you can switch around up to 3 devices, and there's 3 buttons there as well. Press 3 seconds, it should easily switch over to the desired device that you are currently working on. Yep, so this is the device itself, the keyboard. It's nicely wrapped, and I have to tell you, the keyboard itself is quite heavy, very sturdy itself. It's not the cheap plastic material that usually you can see filled from another keyboard that's available on the market. So let's unwrap the keyboard itself. Sorry, I'm actually using one hand to record all my videos right now, as I do not have any gimbal or tripod. Okay, there you go. That's really heavy, man. MX Keys S brand at the back of the keyboard, and you can see the connectivity icon, Thunderbolt and Bluetooth. Okay, let's put that aside first, and the wrapper aside. Okay, let's see what other things we have inside the box. So we have this mxsetup.logi.com, which I believe is a website for you to go and take a look on how to have you can take a look at the tutorial on how to connect the keyboard itself. And this is the receiver, Logi bolt. Yeah, small box. Okay, let's open up the box. I believe this is the type C cable to charge the keyboard itself. Come on. Okay, there you go. The type C cable to charge the keyboard. What else we have inside? Okay, the regular stuffs, the guides. Okay, that's how it looks. So they tell you how to actually remove the back cover to put in the battery, the rechargeable battery. Okay, let's put that aside. And we have the Thunderbolt. Sorry, why am I saying Thunderbolt? It's the Logibolt actually. Okay, so that's all within the box. Show you the physical keyboard itself. I've got the graphite color, and you can see the button, which is the power button, and then the type C charging port itself, and the side view. So it's pretty heavy and sturdy, so you can't really push with your palms, so it's easy for you to type. So some of the keyboard, if you put pressure or force, it might just shift up like this. So I don't see that in this keyboard. The reason being is very heavy actually. It's very heavy compared to all the keyboards that I've used in my life. Okay, not bad. It feels quite comfortable. Okay, let's turn on the keyboard. Let's see whether there's any power. Okay, there you go. Ready to turn on. You can see the LED green light. I believe that's the indicator to let you know the keyboard is charged. You can see the backlight is illuminating. Oh, I like the feature of this keyboard, the illuminated keyboard. That's fantastic, man. It's very nice. So this is the multi-device option for you to select multiple device that you're going to set up. I really love the backlight itself. So let me turn off the room light and let's see how does it look. So there you go guys, I've turned off my room light, and it's actually 7 p.m. in the evening. You can see the light, how is it being, it's telling me to connect to the device. So that's the reason it's blinking right now. So I have not connected to my laptop yet, so that's the reason being it's blinking on and off. It's very cool. I really love the the first look of this device, and I think it will really be a worthwhile investment since I'm working from home. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this unboxing and the first look of this MX Keys S, do subscribe to my channel and do give a thumbs up to this video. I will catch you in my so-called next video. Thank you guys. Bye.